Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back again YouTube channel. For today's video guys, if ngayon sa inyo itong Victoria Model House, which is our best-selling model unit dito sa Antel Grand Village with the lot area of 287 square meters and with a floor area of 215 square meters. It has rooms and 3 toilet and bath. But bago natin po pasukin itong bahay na ito guys, I want to say po guys, itong Victoria Model House dito po sa Grand Forbes, itong ating address unit gusto ko lang po mag-apology doon po sa isang lot owner dito po sa Antel Grand Village na featured ko po yung kanilang bahay the other day without their permission because I thought it was under pa ng developer kasi the house is ongoing. I am very sorry po doon sa owner ng bahay na ganito. At ang aking intention lang po is to aware all the buyers ng Antel na kung paano ba ang construction ng bahay po ng Antel. For the sake naman na yung mga buyers natin na nasa abroad, para maging comfortable din sila kung paano po yung kanilang way of construction. So yun lang po ang purpose doon and wala na po. And also, ginagawa ko yung video because gusto ko rin ma-monetize yung aking channel. Kasi other means of source of fund, source of income. Pero wala po akong intention na i-offend kayo, to trespass your property because ang alam ko kasi is under pa siya ng Antel. Pero I am very sorry po dahil kinomplain po ako sa office. Kaya so all I have to do is to make apology dito din po sa account na ito because dito din po siya na feature sa account na ito guys. My name is Ray Miliada. So division manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village. And I am very sorry po sa na-offend ko po yung lot owner natin. Okay, so I'm sorry po. So I hope to see you soon po. Alright, so okay, pagtuloy natin yung ating buhay guys, dito sa Grand Village. Alright, this video is brought to you by Victoria Model, which is our best-selling model unit dito sa Antel Grand Village. Second sa pinaka malaking unit natin dito sa Antel Grand Village, next dito sa Olivia Model. Alright, so this house is ready for occupancy with a lot area of 287 square meters and is situated in a corner lot. It has 4 rooms, 3 bedrooms, and 1 den or office sa baba. So it has 2-car garage with the lanai area and the sliding door, a service area po dito po sa likod ng sa gilid ng bahay. And of course, the house is single detached. So we are selling this unit po as is, where is including all the furnitures and appliances. Ayan siya guys, So ito yung lanai area here. Pero whatever defect dito sa unit na to guys, so bago namin ito turn over yan siya, is aayusin pa po yan siya ngayon po. Okay, so ang maganda dito is malaki yung lot niya kasi corner lot. Ito pa. Ayan siya guys, hanggang dito po yung kanyang property. Naiikot natin. At saka malalaki na rin yung mga puno. And dito pwede kayo maglagay ng fence. Ayan siya guys, ayan siya. Okay, so dito po meron kang chairs and tables. Pero pwede nyo po siyang i-improve yung bahay nito. Lagyan nyo po ng, kung kasya pa po, isang lap pool. Okay, check natin sa loob. Pero dito sa Antel Grand Village po, may available pa po tayong lot dito sa Grand Forbes na 5 lots available. 192 yung pinaka smallest cut po natin. So ito yung bahay natin. Oh, ang ganda. Alright. Pasukin natin guys. Okay. So upon entering the house, you will see this very nice design. It's an elegance. It's classic house, no? Is Mediterranean. Napakaganda ng Mediterranean niya. Look at this. Wow, ang ganda. It's high ceiling. And this is your dining area. Okay, then the other one is your foyer area there. Ayan. Okay, so this is your kitchen's area. And you have 2 sliding door. Ayan siya po. Ayan. Okay. And dito sa baba, meron ka isang room. This one siya, guys. Okay. Ganda rin. So, pwede rin siyang gawing kumbaga bedroom dito sa ibaba. Then also, you have this common CR dito sa ibaba. Hi, Ray. Okay. Attorney, hello. Good afternoon. Teka, wait lang. Ito. Okay. Okay, no. Right guys, no. Check natin yung second floor. Wow. Actually po, kung may lote na kayo dito sa Grand Forbes, pwede na po kayong mag-upgrade ng ganitong bahay. Which is Victoria model. So, meron tayong 4 na mapagpipili ang units dito po sa Grand Forbes kung ang lote nyo is 192 square meters and up. So, pwede pong Alessandra model, Georgina, Victoria, and Olivia model. Ito po sa itaas ito, guys. Wow, look at the steps and then the stairs. It's so wide. Ang atin pong rem po ang aking course. Yeah. Di ba? Ang ganda rin siya, guys. Okay. Nice. It's nice. Hi, Yaya. Kumain ka na ba dyan? May luto na ba? Ang ganda, no? Ayan. Sige, kain na po tayo. Parang ang ganda, no? Then, dito sa itaas. Meron ka rin. Yan. Here. Ganda, no? This is the one room. May balcony siya. And then, the common CR sa itaas. This one. And then, this is the second room. Then, with balcony. Then, check natin po yung master's bedroom. So, this is the hallway sa itaas. Okay. Alright. So, this is the master's bedroom. And ang taas ng kisamin niya, no? So, this house is ready for occupancy. We are including all the furnitures and as is where is. Pero po, whatever defect dito sa unit na to, guys, ibibigay po sa inyo as maayos po. Okay? So, this house po is available through bank financing, deferred in-house. Cash term. So, if you are going to pay this unit cash po, so, give us 30 days, then turn over na natin yung unit. So, this is the master's bedroom, toilet, and bath. Then, this house naman po is available through bank financing. So, 20% lang po ang down payment nito. Then, pag nabayaran nyo na po yung 20%, then give us letter of guarantee and loan proceeds. Then, we will turn over the house. So, mga 4 months po. So, this is the toilet and bath. Gana, guys, na. And then, check natin po again. Dito po tayo sa balcony area. Here. This is the balcony area. Okay, so this is the balcony. Wow, ang ganda. So, this is the Olivia model, our largest house. Okay. Alright. Tingnan ko malaglag. Anyway guys, so thank you so much po pagsama nyo hanggang dito sa dulo na to. So once again, humihingi po ako ng dispensa doon po sa lot owner na itong house na ito guys, nasa aking likuran. And wala po akong intention na iba. At saka ang akin lang po is ma-inform lang po yung mga homeowners and lot owners lang po ng Andel Grand Village. And humingi po ako ng dispensa, pasensya, and apology para po doon sa homeowners natin. And I hope na makonsider po nila yung aking apology using this channel. Anyway, so thank you so much guys, and see you in my next video. God bless us all.